welcome back to Inside Business Podcast. This is where we talk about business strategies to help you stay relevant in today's fast-moving world. Today's topic is really exciting. We talk about the marketing legend Philip Kotler. From Marketing 1.0 to Marketing 6.0, the future of immersive and human-centered marketing. And I'm not alone today. I'm here with two amazing people, Mr. Pelius and Mr. Betisama.
Hey, Mr. Ganan, excited to about the future.
Hi, Mr. Ganam.
Hi.
I'm so happy to be here again
Okay.
because the topic today is so interesting.
Okay. Let's start with you, Mr. Betisama. Some people think marketing 6.0 means the old-fashioned don't matter anymore. Is that true?
Actually, it's not like that, Ganam. It's fashion builds all the one before they work together. Let's make simple. Marketing 1.0, product centric. Marketing 2.0, customer centric. 3.0, about virus product. 4.0 and 5.0, the digital and AI era.
Okay, so for small businesses, they can just jump to AI if their product isn't ready yet.
Exactly. Master your product first and then play with technology.
Okay. Now let's talk about the tech side with Mr. Pelius. We read a research before about meta marketing and immersive marketing. What do that mean?
The main difference is in the experience. In Marketing 5.0, AI help us, but in 6.0, technology connects the physical and digital worlds. We are talking about quantum computing and blockchain. Quantum computing analyzes the data very fast, and blockchain keep in secure.
Can you describe what immersive really feels like?
Sure, imagine you are in a store, but with your phone you get digital efforts in real time. Online, offline become one. That's how human and machine connect.
So interesting. Even with all this technology, Marketing 6.0 still talk a lot about community. Why is that, Mr. Betisam?
Because now brands don't just sell product, they build relationship. For example, a shoes brand creates a running club. They use data to invite customers to real events. That's where real connection happens.
And the key word is trust. If your brand isn't honest or secure, customer will leave fast. That's why blockchain is important.
Before we wrap up, let's give some quick advice to our listeners. If someone wants to try Marketing 6.0, where should they start, Mr. Pelius?
In my opinion, first you must to get use the data. Don't use AI just to look cool. Use it to understand your customer.
How about you, Mr. Betisama?
Step to stay human. No matter how small the tip is, people still buy from people.
Okay. And from me, don't skip the basic. Make sure your Marketing 1.0 and 2.0 are strong first before moving to 6.0. The main takeaway is this: Marketing 6.0 is not about replacing humans with machines. It's about using technology to serve people better.
Let machine do the work, but let your heart do the talking.
Keep learning and adapting. The market will wait for you.
Okay, thank you Mr. Pelius and Mr. Betsama. And thank you listeners. Check out the research and video in the description below. I'm Ganam. See you in the next episode of Inside Business Podcast. Stay creative, stay relevant. Okay.
Use it to understand your customer. To